Guys, we're reacting to this video today. Drunk school bus driver shows up to court impaired. Yo, this is I don't know. I haven't even watched it yet and I find it so okay, so guys, let's just go straight to the video.
Next, we head to Bunnell, Florida for a plea hearing. 60-year-old Mark McNeil has been charged with 14 counts of child neglect, driving under the influence
14
of a person
counts.
under 18, and resisting arrest. 4 months earlier, McNeil was arriving for his job as a middle school bus driver when one of his coworkers smelled alcohol in his breath and reported him to a supervisor.
Bro, come on. First of all, you're working with children. Second of all, you shouldn't be drinking while, you shouldn't drive while you're drunk in any case, in any scenario. But then thirdly, you're driving a bus, so you need to be extra responsible. But the fact that you are driving children should be a clear indicative that you cannot be hungover, you cannot be drinking. That is just really that's negligence 100%.
But not before McNeil had picked up 40 children from the school.
40 children.
And begun his regular afternoon route. It's not
That is
clear
irresponsible.
If McNeil knew about the report, but he ignored repeated calls from dispatchers. After dropping off several kids, he finally stopped when his supervisor caught up with him. At which point, he exited the bus and fell to the ground.
He
Complaining
fell?
that he couldn't breathe. No children were injured during the incident.
Thank God.
When police arrived and tried to take McNeil into custody, he did not cooperate.
So you definitely just said, I've had a couple of beers. So what? Hey,
So what?
Stop.
Don't hit me!
Stop.
Don't hit me!
You're not getting
Don't hit
facing
me!
it.
Don't hit me! Look, he's hitting me! He's hitting me!
How is he hitting you? He's just holding you.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Ow!
Scoot all the way back. Scoot all the way back.
Ow! Ow! You made me!
McNeil was arrested, and when tested, his blood alcohol level was 0.32, 4 times the legal limit of 0.08. He's agreed to plead guilty to all charges in exchange for a sentence of 1 year in county jail, avoiding any time in a state prison.
This is kind of like the real life Heisenberg Breaking Bad reference.
For today's hearing, at which McNeil arrived 2 hours late, the defendant appears before Judge Terrence Perkins to officially enter his plea. But before things get going, McNeil has something to say.
I want to just add one more thing that I didn't want to waste time here. Okay, all you people work hard and I can't. Okay, I don't want to waste anybody's time. Okay, and I'm really sorry.
Yo, his attorney is fighting for his life here. He's like, please don't talk. Please don't talk. He's literally fighting because, bro, I think he's drunk. It sounds like he's drunk. And yo, if he's showing up to court drunk, he has a serious alcoholism problem. And if this is a strategy, then I think he could, get extra help. But I don't think that's a good look for him. I don't think so. I don't think this is a strategy. I genuinely think he has an issue here and he needs medical help. I genuinely do.
But not only is the judge unwilling to accept McNeil's apology, he's not going to approve the plea deal either.
Here's the problem. So I think that you're impaired today. And so I can't take the plea.
I'm sorry?
I think you're impaired.
No, I'm not. I'm not impaired at all.
Okay.
He doesn't look drunk, he just sounds drunk.
I'm just so sorry.
Okay. We're gonna lab right here in the building. Let's do this. So I'm gonna test you. Are you gonna come out
He's
with
gonna be
alcohol or
tested.
substances?
No.
Okay. So hang on. So let's go ahead and get you tested. Make sure
I'm
that,
not getting tested.
okay. Then what I'm gonna do, sir, is I'm gonna go ahead and take you into custody right now because I think you are impaired.
I'm not impaired at all.
And
Take the
so
test,
you
then.
are a danger moving forward here. And so what I want to do is get you tested. let's get you tested, and if you're not impaired in any way, and you certainly do appear so, sir, but if you're not impaired in any way,
Do you know, Your Honor, that, you know what? I am impaired.
Aw.
Okay? Because this is, I've got to go to jail. So,
all right, very good, thank you.
His attorney is holding him. He's like, oh, I can't do anything else for you. I mean, come on. I empathize with his attorney. I mean, you can't defend a person like this, you know, bro. Yo, and the fact that he's a bus driver, he's a school bus driver. I mean, being a bus driver is, you know, dangerous in and of itself. But the fact that he is even like, he's a school bus driver, that's even worse. Because, you know, whenever you work with children, you need to be extra responsible. Yo, this is, oh man, I don't know what's going on in his personal life, but, you know, he shouldn't be working as a bus driver. You know, I'm sorry, just get another job. If you need help, get medical help, but don't put other people's lives at risk, and don't put other people's children's lives at risk. Yo, I'm getting riled up here.
McNeil was taken into custody. He was not hit with any new charges, but his plea deal was amended. He pled no contest to the original charges and was sentenced to 1.5 years in a Florida prison, plus 3.5 years probation. He also lost his job as a school bus driver and is now prohibited from working or volunteering with children.
Obviously.
Don't let him me. Look, he's hitting me. He's hitting me.
Okay.
Thanks for being a...
I hope he gets the help he needs. Guys, this video is from A&E. If you want me to react to more A&E, let me know in the comments. The link to this video is in the description. Guys, I really hope he gets the help he needs, because, you know, alcoholism is literally a sign that they're trying to drown their either depression or anything that is remotely what's the word here, detrimenting to their lives. Like, whatever, you know, normally the person is like at a point that they just want to fill the void, they just want to, you know, forget what they're feeling, and that's when they turn to alcoholism, which is a horrible thing, and people need to get help for that. But at the same time, you know, he cannot be working with such a dangerous vehicle. Man, a bus is not only dangerous because you can crash it, a bus is also dangerous because it's heavy and you can run into other people. So it's not only dangerous for the people inside, it's also dangerous for the people outside. You can cause a massive accident. So, you know, whenever people get into that job, I think they should always get tested, like, you know, because there is like a psychological test when you get into a job, right? I don't know if that works for like every company, but where I come from, yes, whenever you get a job, you get a psychological test, but you don't get tested ever again. You just get tested in the beginning and you never get tested again. So I think after at least 5 years, the minimum, at least 5 years, you need to be tested again. I would say, you know, because people, you know, they tend to, you know, suffer from mental health when they're working a lot. So I think people and employers should test their employees, see if they're fit for the job, see if they're mentally healthy, you know. And guys, if you're at your job and you see someone going through issues, get them help, you know, even though it might cost them their job. You can't have these people out there doing these dangerous jobs, especially when it involves children. Anyways, that's just my opinion. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Let me know what I should react to next. Take care now. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Bye-bye. Now you can get full access to exclusive content, special reactions to shows, series, anime, full movies, and even request a video of your choice. Just become a YouTube member or join Buy Me a Coffee today. Find out more, the link is in the description.
Never break, always always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game.